This is Streamline 75 here. Or Duber's my car 55. Or Jacob. Streamline 75. Sorry about that. I have just purchased a Varmint hunter. The Gamma Varmint hunter with Vamp 4x32 WR scope with optics package, which means it just comes with the flashlight and the laser mount built onto it. This is replacing, it's a 1200 FPS. This is replacing my old Crosman Sierra Pro, which is broke. We fixed it many times, now it's just broke. It's not going to fix anymore. We did have a light up optic scope on it, really like a sniper scope kind of deal, but I obviously took that off because it's broke. And then there's my Remington BB gun over there. The Varmint hunter is synthetic stock, while this is wood. Has a two-stage trigger assembly, which means there's the first stage where you can set it to where it goes off faster, like more up. It's a breakdown, just like the Crosman. Except this one's by Gamma. It has a rifled steel barrel, with, which pretty much means it's curved inside the barrel. That's about it for the review. Now for the firing test of the Varmint hunter, the Gamma Varmint hunter. Alright. Obviously, I haven't sighted in the scope yet, so I'm just going to be shooting not at the propane tank, but at the doghouse. There's nothing in it, don't worry. I wish there was. Oh, I'm joking, but yeah, there's nothing in it. And I'll be using the pellets that came with it instead of my decent hunting pellets. These are supposedly real gold Raptor Gamma pellets. I don't think they really are, but you know, I ain't calling anybody out. Oh, look, a robin. Oh, trying to get the damn shit open. Okay, there they are. Stupid camera focus. Alright, well, I'm going to load it now. I'm gonna set the camera over here. Cold out. Okay, the gun is now loaded. Alright. Don't fall, camera, don't fall. That was... I've shot that so many times, you can't really... Even if I went up there, you wouldn't be able to tell. So, now I'm gonna get a shot of me actually shooting. Because I'm a... I don't know, but it's not really that big of a rifle, I don't think. I could stand up, but it's easier like that. That was a laser sight. Alright, well, that's it for the shooting part. Jacob from Streamline 75, out.